Good morning, dear children. Today in this class I am going to start new lesson. The name of the lesson is Fields and Fences. Children, in this lesson we will learn to calculate perimeter of given figure. Children, first of all let us understand what is perimeter. Children, perimeter is the boundary of a closed geometrical figure, or you can say perimeter is sum of all sides. Means if you will find the total of all sides of given figure, this will be perimeter. Okay, and the unit of perimeter is meter or centimeter. If the sides are given in meter, then the perimeter's unit will be meter, and if the sides are given in centimeter, then perimeter unit will be centimeter. Children, in today's class we will learn how can we find out or calculate the boundary of irregular shape. Children, irregular shape means the shapes with different sides. Okay, their measurement may be different length. Okay, here you can see in question number 1a, this figure, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 sides, and all 8 sides are of different length. So first of all you will find the total of this side, and the total of all the sides will be perimeter or boundary of this figure. Here you can see I have added each of the side together, and finally the answer comes 45. This will be the boundary of this figure or perimeter of this figure. Okay, similarly we can calculate the perimeter of figure B. Here this figure is made up of 3 sides, and this figure is closed figure and all the sides are of different length. So boundary is sum of all sides, or perimeter is sum of all sides. So 6 plus 12 plus 15 will be 33 centimeter. Children, hope you all are understanding. Now if you see the last picture, this is also a closed figure, but it has 4 sides and all 4 sides are of different length. So to get the boundary you will add all 4 sides together and finally calculate the answer, that will be 49 meter. Children, in question number D, find the length of a wire needed to fence the given field. Children, if you see this field, it has 4 sides and all the sides are of different length, and you want to fence this boundary with wire. So you have to calculate the length of wire. Length of wire is equal to perimeter of this figure or boundary of this figure. As you all know, we can get the boundary by adding all the sides. So here again I have added all 4 sides together and the answer comes 54 meter. Children, it means 54 meter long wire is needed to cover or fence the field. Children, hope you all have understood what are irregular shapes and how can we calculate the perimeter of irregular shape. do practice of these sums and solve the questions that I have given. Thank you and have a good day.